buy there. The canoe recently launched on Kickstarter and, at first glance, it resembles the Oru Kayak in many ways. Both are made from translucent white plastic with a similar shape and design. The origami influence is easy to spot on both boats as well, giving them a unique look that supports both form and function. However, while Oru's model is a kayak to the core, complete with a closed cockpit and a traditional low-seating position, the Onak 2 features the look and feel of a classic canoe, including raised seats that help paddlers sit above the water. Billed as the canoe for everyone, the Onak 2 is designed to be lightweight, easy to transport, and even easier to store. It tips the scales at just 33 pounds, and when not in use it can be folded up and wheeled around on an included trolley. In this form, the boat measures just 48 inches in length and 17 inches in width, making it easy to transport in the trunk of a car and hide away under a bed when you get back home. It reportedly takes just a few minutes to assemble the Onak 2, and when that process is complete the canoe stretches over 15 feet in length and about 2.5 feet in width. Those dimensions should help to provide a high level of stability on a variety of water conditions, while the polypropylene composite material used in the construction of the boat's hull will make it easier for paddlers to glide along on the water, too. Developed by the Onak designers, that same material is said to be stronger than aluminum while still offering the flexibility needed to break down the canoe after a day out on the water. Thank you for watching. Bye.